Hello and welcome. We're in Corfu, Greece, enjoying a short stop on our 6-month adventure. This is the sunrise that greeted us on our balcony this morning. In this video, we'll take you to explore the old fortress near Corfu's Old Town. Yeah, good place to go swimming down there. Some very expensive real estate and boats. Oh, there's a huge one there. Oh, looking right into the sun, but we are going out there, I guess. It's the walls of the old fortress of Corfu. Oh yeah, this is where you pay to go in, love. So 8 o'clock. €10 at 8 o'clock. We've got a few minutes to wait. Right, so we're going to visit the Corfu Old Fortress. The whole peninsula here is the Old Fortress, which I didn't realise initially. Pretty big. Yeah, the size of this place is pretty amazing. I guess if you've got a peninsula, you might as well use it all. Right, time for some steps. Oh, that got dark all of a sudden. There's a side tunnel. Duck. Oh, steps. Cool. Oh, got a sun. This place is massive. It's great. Well, this is well worth the entry fee. We were kind of wondering in the bus whether we would part with €10 each, but definitely worth it. Right, let's not fall off the edge. No, that would not be good. It's a long way down. See? That area down there is fenced off. I'm pretty sure that's the old fortress at the end there, which would have been really cool to walk up, but it's obviously not safe to do so. They don't let people in there. Right, we're going up to the lighthouse. More steps. Almost there. Oh, maybe this is the old fortress area. Look at that for a view. That's the Serenada Park that we walked through. Straight ahead there's the ferry port. I think this is just the way to the sailing club. Oh, there's a nice cool breeze down here. It's so hot up there. Just so we can get out to that marina area. So that's where they go sailing. Oh, and you could go swimming. We couldn't bring our togs. We'll have a swim later. We're just going over to the other side of the peninsula now. So there's a 200-year-old church that a local lady was just telling us about. And she said you did used to be able to go out on that very end part, but they don't have enough staff to man it now, so you can't go out there. We're kind of back to where we started. That building with the columns is the church, built by the British.